how to reset AirPods from the previous owner. Well, to reset AirPods from previous owner, you'll need to perform a factory reset on the AirPods and then have the previous owner remove the device from their Apple ID. The reset process usually involves holding the setup button on the back of the charging case until the status light flashes amber, then white, indicating a reset. After the reset, the previous owner should remove the AirPods from their iCloud account using Find My App or iCloud.com. Once removed, you can proceed to connect to yourself. So if they head over to their Find My App and they'll have to reset it from you, they'll have to remove it from their devices section here, right? Or they can head into iCloud.com and reset it as well. Remove the device from the Apple ID. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.